Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So today in this video, I'm gonna share with you all about moisturizer. So recently I have been trying lots of moisturizers and I have been trying them every single day. So I just wanted to share a detailed review on each and every moisturizers. So these moisturizers are in affordable range as well as it works the best. And as winters are here, I thought this is the best time to share a review about a moisturizer. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So let's get started with my personal favorite moisturizer, which has to be the Pond's Super Light Moisturizer. So this is the outer packaging of this moisturizer and this is my all-time favorite moisturizer. No matter whichever season or moisturizer I buy, I always end up using this particular moisturizer. So this is super light and this moisturizer comes in creamy texture and this moisturizer doesn't make your skin greasy or sticky. So that's the reason why I love this moisturizer. So I got the smaller packaging which might look like this, and the second size of this might be 147 grams I guess. I have used both of them and then I have got this particular larger size. This is 250 grams. So I just love this product, so I ended up buying the larger tub. This will last me for long days because winters are here, so I thought of getting the larger size only so that I can just lather my skin with extra quantity. So I'll just show you the consistency and the texture of the product. So this is how it comes like. So it comes with a layer like this, and I personally don't prefer removing this because if I remove it, this kind of gets messy and it comes onto the outer packaging like the cap. So that's the reason why I always maintain this. And this is how the texture of the moisturizer is. It's super light and I'll just show you the consistency. So this is super light. As you can see, this absorbs very easily into your skin. Yeah. And also it gives extra nourishment. So I personally love this moisturizer, and this moisturizer I have been using from last 2 to 3 years I guess. So yeah, so if you are someone with dry skin or extremely dry skin, then I would highly recommend this moisturizer because this gives that extra nourishment to your skin and also hydrates your skin very well. And this particular moisturizer consists of vitamin E plus glycerin into it, so which is superfood for our skin. So I would highly recommend to get your hands this particular moisturizer and you will thank me later for sure. So the next moisturizer is in the same range, like it is a Pond's moisturizer. So this is the Pond's Super Light Gel, and this is oil free moisturizer. If you are someone with sensitive skin or oily skin, then I would highly recommend this particular moisturizer because this is a jelly based moisturizer. So it will moisturize your skin as well as it removes the extra oil present on your skin. Even if you are a dry skin person, you can always also use this particular moisturizer, but you will have to apply 2 layers of this moisturizer and then you will be sorted for your moisturizing part. And particular moisturizer consists of hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E, which is a super good food for our skin. So I would highly recommend if you are someone with oily and sensitive skin type. Even if you are someone with combination skin type, this particular moisturizer would work the best for your skin. And the consistency is super light. In fact, this is a gel based moisturizer, wherein the other moisturizer, the Pond's this wala moisturizer, this is the creamy based moisturizer. So this gives the extra nourishment and this will gives the decent amount of nourishment to your skin. So if you are someone with oily skin type, then I would highly recommend. And mostly oily skin type people thinks that because there is lot of oil present on the skin, they always tend to skip the moisturizing part. But I would say that you should never skip moisturizing part in your skincare. You should always moisturize your face with a good moisturizer like the Pond's one. This is affordable as well as the Super Light Gel. So I will just show you the consistency. So this is how the consistency looks like. I'm almost done with this moisturizer, so I have to restock this up. So this is how the gel looks like. So this is a aqua blue color gel, and this is how the consistency is. So this absorbs very well into your skin, as well as it gives that nourishing effect, and it also gives that extra soothing effect to your skin. So as you can see, this is how my skin looks right now. So the third moisturizer is the Plums Green Tea Moisturizer. So this is a super light moisturizer. In fact, this is also a gel based moisturizer. To be precise, this is a night gel, so I would highly suggest you to use it as a night gel itself. And if you are someone with acne prone skin type, then I would highly recommend this particular moisturizer, because this actually works the best for acne prone skin type, because my sister is acne prone skin type and she have been using this particular moisturizer, and I have seen that the acnes are almost gone. Like whenever she used this particular moisturizer, her acnes are never appeared on her skin. So I would highly recommend this particular moisturizer if you are acne prone skin type. Mostly oily skin type people gets acne, so I would suggest this moisturizer to oily skin type as well as acne prone skin type. Even combination skin type people can also use this. So I am normal skin type, so I have used this particular moisturizer like frequently. Whenever I feel that my skin is super dry, or I just need that extra hydration into my skin, then I always reach out to this particular moisturizer. I apply it before my bed, and I'm sorted. Like my skin actually start glowing, and I would highly suggest this. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this is a glass container, and this is a gel based, of course. As you can see, I'm almost half of this tub. So this is how it looks like. So this is also a gel based moisturizer. So this is how the gel looks like, and I'll just show you the consistency. Even this moisturizer is super light, and it absorbs into the skin very well, and it gives the extra nourishment into your skin. So you're waking up with a super glowy skin. So this is how it looks like. So I would highly recommend this for acne prone skin type. Even normal skin type people also can use this, and this comes with a lid like so. So the next moisturizer is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. So this is a water gel moisturizer. So this is slightly expensive towards compared to the other moisturizers which I have just showed. So but this worth the every penny you are paying. So this is the first ever time that I am trying this particular moisturizer. I have heard a lot of good reviews about this moisturizer, but I have never tried it. But this time I got this in a Nykaa sale, like the Pink Friday sale was running, and then I got this. I got it for like discount, like about maybe 100 rupees off on this particular moisturizer. So yeah, and this moisturizer is game changing moisturizer for me. So I just wanted to try this, and I have been loving this particular moisturizer because this moisturizer gives that extra smoothness and glow to your skin. Like it naturally hydrates your skin and gives that extra nourishment to your skin. But this is a water gel, so I would not highly recommend to dry skin type people, because you will have to lather your skin with multiple layers, and this comes like only 50 grams. But I would say you can try it, but I would highly recommend other moisturizers which are affordable, and it gives like much more hydration to your skin with just a little quantity. But this particular moisturizer, if dry skin type people uses, I think they might end up completing this particular moisturizer within 2 weeks. So paying 950 and just completing the moisturizer within 2 weeks. I'm normal skin type, so this works the best for my skin. And if you're acne prone, or if you're oily and a combinational skin type, then this works the best for your skin, because oily skin type and combination skin type people needs light moisturizers, and this is a gel based water based moisturizer. and this is slightly similar to this particular moisturizer, which is the Pond's Super Light Gel. The consistency and the color of the moisturizer are similar. Like I can show you the consistency, but this is slightly runny than this one. This is slightly thicker than this particular moisturizer, than Neutrogena. So as you can see, I'm almost done. As you can see, the moisturizer is coming out to you. Okay, so as you can see, this is a water based moisturizer, and this comes in a super cool color. I just love the color of the moisturizer, and this smells also good. So I'll just show you the consistency. I have used 3/4 of the tub. Like dry skin type people needs extra nourishment, extra moisture or nourishment. So that's the reason I would suggest the creamy based moisturizers to super dry skin type, and for normal and other skin types can use this particular. This is the super good moisturizer. It's really good moisturizer, and I love using this particular moisturizer. So without any further ado, I'll just show you the consistency. As you can see, this is a gel based moisturizer, and this is how it looks like. So as you can see, this gives that juicy juicy finish to your skin, and it shows that you have put on so much of effort onto your skin, and it absorbs into your skin very easily within a fraction of seconds. So as you can see how my skin looks like, and it gives that extra glow and nourishment. So next up, I have a super affordable moisturizer, which is the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. So this is a creamy based moisturizer. So for super dry skin type and dry skin type, I would highly recommend this particular moisturizer, because this gives extra nourishment. This is much more thicker than the Pond's wala also. In fact, this is also a creamy based moisturizer, but this has slightly the consistency and the thickness is slightly less than this one. So I'll just show you the consistency. Even this comes like this. So this is this is the texture of the moisturizer. This is extra nourishing moisturizer. As you can see, this gives extra nourishment. So that's the reason why I would highly recommend this particular moisturizer for dry skin type and super dry skin type. If you are someone with combination and oily skin type, then I would not suggest you this particular moisturizer. But if you still want to use it, then I would suggest you to take just pea size of amount, because it goes long way. So you just use that and see how does it works on your skin. I am sure that it will gives that oily effect for you again, much more oily effect. So I would not suggest you to go ahead and buy this particular moisturizer. But yeah, this is a very good and affordable moisturizer. So yeah, this is one of my favorite moisturizers. I have been using this a lot. I have been using this for more than 1-2 years, but not currently. Currently I have stopped it because I have got an alternate option, because my skin is normal, so I don't need extra nourishment. In summers, I would suggest oily skin type people just be far from this product, because it will give extra oil to your skin, which you don't want to have it. Instead, you can just use this one. This gives the decent amount of finish to your skin, and it does not make your face much more like sticky or much more oily. But this might make you, this does not make sticky, but it will give extra nourishment, which you don't require in summers. So in winters, if you want, you can use, but for dry skin type and normal skin type people also, I would suggest this particular moisturizer to use regularly in winters. In summers, you can just reduce or increase the quantity as per your skin requirements. So yeah. So lastly, I have the Simple Moisturizer, which is their new blemish prone oily skin range. This is the Simple Moisturizer. So this is the new range from Simple, and this says it. So this particular moisturizer is specially made for sensitive skin type people. So this is ultralight liquid moisturizer, and it says it lasts for 24. And it says it gives 24 hours hydration plus instant matte effect. It also says that it mattifies, controls oil, hydrates, non-greasy. ultra fast absorption as well as won't clog your pores, which is the best moisturizer for especially sensitive skin type and oily skin type people. So I would highly recommend this for sensitive skin type people, because this is a ultra light moisturizers. In fact, this just now I have showed you the gel based moisturizers, but this is not gel based, this is a liquid based, like it's completely water based moisturizer. So this might work and gives that extra care for your skin, because your skin is already sensitive, so you need extra care. So you have to keep lots of effort to pick up your products. So I would suggest this particular moisturizer, and this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in bottle like so. So I'll just show you the consistency of this product. As you can see, this is a water based moisturizer. So as you can see how this is a runny as well as water based, and yeah, take care of your skin very well. So this is really good moisturizer. So this particular moisturizer is super light, and this actually works as a primer under your base. So before applying any sort of makeup or just before shooting any video, I apply a layer of this particular moisturizer, and then I apply primer and then layer of foundation or concealer, something that is the way which I follow to apply this particular moisturizer, which is I am in love with this product. So I am in love with this product as well. This is working very good on my skin. So I would highly recommend for sensitive, oily, in fact all skin type people, because this is super light. So this is a 50 ml moisturizer. Even this is a affordable moisturizer. From the moisturizer which I have showed you, only the Neutrogena moisturizer is slightly expensive rather than the other moisturizers, but you can always consider using it, because your skin is not behaving very well, or whatever you apply it just reacts differently. So I would highly recommend to just invest in very good moisturizer and try using it. If it suits you, then well and good. If doesn't suit you, then you can just switch on your products. But it's very important to switching on your products, because if you use only one single product, it might work for a few days, then later on the requirement of your skin is fulfilled with this particular moisturizer. Like for example, for sensitive skin type people, this is the best moisturizer. So it gives you the extra care, extra hydration. This particular moisturizer will not be able to give, because this is a water based moisturizer, but it takes extra care of your skin. So once your skin is in a good situation, after a couple of days, a couple of weeks, a couple of months, then you can switch on towards other moisturizer. Like you can just slightly move towards other moisturizer. Now this is a water based moisturizer, slightly move towards a gel based moisturizer. Like you can use this particular moisturizer in gel based, or you can use this particular moisturizer in gel based. Rather you can just apply this also in before your bed, like night time. You can just invest a day moisturizer as well as a night moisturizer. Then if your skin still works very well, then you can move towards your creamy based moisturizers. Then this is the best creamy based moisturizers. You can also try few moisturizers which these do their actual job into your skin and gives that extra nourishment. So this is the purpose of using moisturizers, especially for oily skin type and combination skin type people. Always thinks that applying moisturizer is a kind of giving a layer of oil to your skin, but that is completely wrong. You will have to make sure that there is a barrier between your skin and if you are applying makeup, or if you are going out, there should be a barrier on your skin, because oily skin type people have that oily effect on their skin. So whenever you are stepping out of your house, then dust will come and fall onto stick onto your face. If there is no barrier onto your skin, then it actually harm your actual skin. If there is a barrier between your skin as well as the pollution or dust, something which comes, then saves your skin from the dirt and pollution and everything. So I would highly suggest to apply moisturizer. In fact, apply a layer of sunscreen and then wait for 10 minutes and then apply a moisturizer, and then you can obviously apply foundation, concealer, whatever you want to apply. But make sure that you are taking care of your skin very well. There you are following a very good skincare, then only your skin will give flawless base. If you are applying a foundation which says that it gives the flawless base, but still you are not getting that base, that is because your actual skin is not flawless. So always make sure that your skin is flawless. You have put some effort into your skin, applying a layer of moisturizer. That is so important. So you have to make sure that you are taking a good care of your skin, and then only you will get the flawless base. As you can see, my skin is behaving very well when I have started applying or switching my moisturizers. When I learned about the moisturizers, I started with this particular moisturizer, which is the affordable range, and then I have switched to this particular, and then I have been switching my moisturizers to get to know what kind of ingredients are mixed into the moisturizer, how it reacts to your face. So I'm not saying you to always switch your moisturizer or do experiment. If suppose your skin is working very well, and if you are you just want extra hydration, or you just want to reduce the hydration amount that your moisturizer is giving to your skin, then you can just switch your moisturizers here and there, and you can try. There are lots of moisturizer. In fact, I have shown you the 6 to 7 moisturizer. I have gave you a detailed review about that moisturizer. So if you are thinking or planning to switch your moisturizer, then you can consider any one of because these are the best and affordable moisturizers which are available in the market. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is so, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.